Welcome to Kiddo's Kingdom channel.
Hello little friends. Let's learn animal names. Meet the furry, feathered, and thin friends from around the world. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Elephant. Elephant. Dolphin. Dolphin. Cat. Cat. Bear. Bear. Ape. Ape. Fox. Fox. Giraffe. Giraffe. Hawk. Hawk. Nutria. Nutria. Dog. Dog. Iguanas. Iguanas. Jaguar. 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 Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Lion. Lion. Monkey. Monkey. Ostrich. Ostrich. Penguin. Penguin. Quokka. Quokka. Tiger. Tiger. Shark. Shark.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.